Hello everybody, my name is Paul Dietering and today I'd like to introduce our new basic kit, AvanTech YOU basic kit, which is made for our new drawer system AvanTech YOU. What is AvanTech YOU? AvanTech YOU is Hettich's latest drawer system, which is very slim and gives you a lot of options of design. But even some technical parts have changed, so it's good to know that we've prepared a box where you'll find anything what you need of the assembly and preparing of the AvanTech YOU drawer. So let's have a look inside of the box, what you will find. First of all, which I already took out, is the AvanFit 100. The AvanFit 100 is a simple assembly aid for the drawer system AvanTech YOU. We have these plastic parts, we have some steel parts, and the assembly of AvanFit 100 won't take that much of time. In this case, I just will put one steel tube here, because which is good enough for a cabinet width of 600. If you have very big ones, let's say up to 1200 millimeter drawer width, we have this extension rope here, which you can fix, and then you can go for bigger ones. You won't find any kind of scale or anything here, because the width, the adjustment of the width, we will do with a back panel or with a wooden shelf and the AvanTech YOU system. And then we can adjust the width, tighten the second screw, and everything is very stable and fixed. So what else we have in our basic kit? We have Praktika 275. This drill jig is made for preparing the wooden back panels. What means that? That means what is new with AvanTech YOU, we have a direct fixing of the back panel. We are not using the usual ones, connector steel back panel connectors, which we have to fix with some screws, and then afterwards you are clipping on or fixing with screws the back panel. Now we are fixing the back panel directly to the AvanTech YOU. Why we are doing that? We're doing that because you save time. This is very important. Labor costs are very high, and with the direct fixing you can save a lot of time. One thing which you have to watch out is that the holes which you have to drill here has to drill very precisely. I'll give you an example. From the lower edge of the wooden back panel to the center of the hole, we are talking about 28.5 millimeter. So my advice, do not use a measure tape and a pencil and try to find the right position for the holes. For the standard height of 101, you just have 2 holes here. If you have bigger ones, you will find 4 holes, or you have to drill 4 holes for the wooden back panel. So please use a jig like this, the Praktika 275. Here are some steel brushes inside, and what you need of size of the drill bit is 4 millimeters. But see, we bring the 4 millimeter drill bit along with the kit. So now you have the possibility to pre-drill the wooden back panel. Here it's difficult to see for you in the camera, but we have mentioned here the different heights of AvanTech YOU. So when I see I'm talking about height 101, it's just this hole. We're talking about height 187, these 2 holes we have to drill. So easy to handle, but still we are bringing the assembly aid. Everything what you need comes along with the box. This is one thing. There's another thing. This is the Praktika 250. What is this made for? This is made for the front panels. The front panels should be pre-drilled for the front connectors. What is the front connector? This is AvanTech YOU front connector, similar what you find in the set packing of AvanTech YOU. When we have here AvanTech YOU, we have here a small box, and inside we find the front connectors, and these are the front connectors for directly fixing to the front panel. There are no sockets they will be fixed with screws. The screws you will find in the box because there's a special length, and then along with the screws you can go directly for the front panel fixing. But you have to pre-drill the pilot holes for the front panels. And as you can see, this is very big holes. These are 10 millimeters holes. How to do the pilot hole? So, in the box, again, a special drill bit. This is a drill bit made for this 10 millimeter holes, and quite easy. You can pre-drill the pilot holes with 2.5 millimeters. And the best thing I would say is here, you can't drill through the panels because there's a depth adjustment. You very precisely can pre-drill the holes for the front connectors, and if you have the version with sockets, you're using a 10 millimeter drill bit, but please watch out with the depths. Secondly, you have the option for the overlay of the front panel, so up and down, or the side overlay you can adjust along with these parts here. Quite easy to handle, but again, manual will be inside of the box. I would say this is everything what you need to start with AvanTech YOU. And the assembly of AvanTech YOU with the AvanFit 100 I will show in the second video. This was just introducing of the basic kit, the starter kit of AvanTech YOU. I would say invest this money because this is a good investment starting by quantity 1. Why? You're saving so a lot of time by using this jigs, and everything is done very precisely. So when you make the decision you would like to go for AvanTech YOU, please go for the basic kit. It's very important for a good quality of the drawer systems. Thank you.